What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Reverend. Today we got some 3M earmuffs. Alright guys, how's everyone doing? We got some more ear muffs, ear protection for you. We got the 3M. This is the Optime 105. H110B. I don't know exactly which one's the model, but Pelotor, Series, all these names on the box. Yeah, so box, don't need that anymore. These are the headphones on Amazon. I think they were 27, 28 bucks, more or less. A little weird coming out of the box. They were like, whatever, but they basically go like this. So this part rests on the back of your neck, and this is the head strap. So make sure you get your ear inside of it. So yeah, head strap, adjustable, and then this part sits on the back of your neck. So I'm going to take that off because I can't hear anything while doing this. So, as you guys know, we have quite a few different sets of earmuffs on this channel. So, got a few of them here that we did reviews on already. If you guys missed that, head over to the playlist section, check those out. Yeah, million different ones. Mark shot a bunch of them, and now we got the 3M version. So, on the box it says that they are 29. The noise reduction rating is 29. Why is that important? That's basically how much sound is not getting to your eardrums and how much you could reduce the outside sound that you're in, whatever environment you're in, whether you're at a concert or you're at work, you deal with heavy machinery, whatever you deal with, and why you need ear protection. Doesn't matter, but the 29, the noise reduction number, is what's important. So if you look at some of the other ones, this is the highest rated one, so 29. The other ones are like 26 and 25 or whatever. It does note, you do notice a difference between them, to be completely honest with you guys. These are definitely the most sound reducing one, and they also are rated for reducing the sound the most. So this is 29, the highest rated ones that I particularly own. These, however, are not electronic. These are just earmuffs. All they do is just reduce the sound, and that's it. So as with any other earmuff, you could put earplugs in with these on top, and then you add to your sound reduction level to your eardrums. So we're not going to get into all the math behind it and how much more it reduces and everything else, but basically you can, and you have plenty of room, put earplugs in plus any ear muff on top of it, or just wear these solo. It doesn't matter, again, depending on where you are and what your environment is, and your need for these will determine how much of a sound reduction level you need. So for the price, these are probably the best bang for your buck. However, again, you do not get the electronic features, so if you guys want to know more about that electronic feature, check out some of the other videos that we did, and we will do I will do a comparison between the three that I particularly own and use. For this particular set, the cushion is definitely comfortable. Again, just like all the other ones, you're going to sweat with them on, especially in the summertime. It doesn't make it uncomfortable for your ear. They are very soft. Pad, you can hear the air coming out of the cushion. This is more of like a couch cushion style pad, where like some of the other ones are more like a foamy gel, so to speak, or a harder rubber, which will make you sweat more. These are a little less, but even still, they have this thing around here, and that prevents air from getting into your ear. Air and sound, yeah, you get my drift. So overall, would I purchase these again if I had to? I would. However, after using some of the electronic versions, I would be more inclined to go to the electronic versions of these muffs. But if you're looking for non-electronic, you don't care about putting batteries in it, you don't care about the electronic features of them, then just stick with these. These are very simple. They're nothing to it. No batteries, no switches, no wires, no nothing. Just put them on your ear and you have sound protection. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget, check out our other reviews of the ear muffs. We have a bunch of them on there. And the EDC section, because you're probably into that stuff if you're into this stuff. And that's all we got for you guys. Take care.